Hey, welcome back. Thank you for coming. By the way, subscribe to my channel. I'm making a bona fide effort to crank out a ton of content. I have so much value coming your way. I'm gonna be posting a ton of videos, so hit the subscribe button. And today we're gonna talk about something you should be doing heading into the end of the year. All right, I was an agency owner for 15 years, and the December's, end of November and early January is always this spooky time. Holidays hit, clients slow down on spending, they slow down on messaging, they fly to Cancun or wherever they're going, and we get less action. And I remember so many panicky Decembers thinking, oh crap, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna have to downsize my team in January. I get all fearful the first few years that it happened. And then I realized every freaking December always has this little bit of slowdown. Everybody starts getting into the holiday end of year vibe. I would freak out in the first few years unnecessarily freak out, because always by January, maybe second week of January, third week of January, things start piling up again. Clients get back in the office, they get over the holidays, they get back in the gym, they start getting their life going again, and they start sending work again. So how do we get through that time with a little less panic than what I did? I'm going to give you 3 scripts today that you can use heading into the end of the year to hopefully get on the radar of some upcoming opportunities. Now, clients are not just going to fall from the sky into your computer and give you work. Opportunities will come as a reaction to your efforts in marketing, your efforts in sales. It's that equal opposite reaction. You want a lot of work, then go do a lot of marketing and do a lot of sales. Get in front of a lot of people and you'll get a lot of work. So here are the 3 scripts that you can use starting now. This is kind of heading into the end of the year. You can use these anytime in mid-November, early November through the end of the year. Script number 1 goes like this. It's a request for more work from your existing clients. Hey, we've loved working with you this year. As we head into the holidays, I just wanted to see if there's any work you may need by end of year. If so, we'd love to schedule it in advance to not get caught in the holiday rush. The end of year push can be stressful enough without a project crunch. That's the script. It's reaching out to the client in a kind of happy holidays style and asking if there's anything that they need by end of year. Sometimes they'll respond, sometimes they won't. It does not matter. It does not matter to you. You still get the touch point. You still dropped into their email box. And it's okay to ask this, and it doesn't make you seem needy. Here's script number 2. Now, script number 2 is asking for referrals. We've loved working with you this year. Thank you for the projects. As we head into the end of the year and start of next year, we always like to ask our clients if they know anyone else who may need our services. Do you happen to know anyone who could use our help with their marketing or website or identity or logo design or business strategy or whatever it is you're selling? So don't be afraid to reach out and ask for those referrals. Do it now. Get those people on the radar heading into the holidays and the start of next year. Final script number 3 is preparing for the new year. And this script goes like this. We've loved working with you this year. It has been great. Thank you for the work you've sent us. We're already making some plans for Q1 of next year, and we're reaching out to our clients to see what needs they may have coming up for next year. Anything on your radar that we could help with? We'd love to pencil it in and then touch base with you after the holidays. That's the script. It's a simple little reach out, trying to find out what's on the radar. Sometimes you'll get a client who replies to you and says, oh yeah, you know what? We have a new website that we're going to need in February. You can pencil that in. Reach out to me after the holidays. Sometimes you get those little things. Now, these little things that come on your radar are the things that make it so you can go through the holidays without stressing out, without freaking wondering if you're going to have any projects come January. So do these little touch points into the end of the year. You're doing them for a couple reasons. Number 1, you could generate actual work for you right now. Number 2, you're going to get some things on the radar or get top of mind with the client. And number 3, you're going to get less stress during the holidays because you know you have a few things coming down the pike. All right, 3 simple ways to get on the radar of your clients heading into the end of the year. Hope that helps. Thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment, all those things. I'm making a push for YouTube coming next year, actually starting now. So join me in this push. I got a lot of value coming your way. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon.